Hi, this is Sri Priya Madan from Srishti Technology Labs. In this session, let's learn about Varargs. Varargs is also called as variable argument. This specifies the variable argument list taken as parameter inside a method. This variable argument list is just an array which takes 0 to many parameters. For example, int area int x. Here x is an array which takes 0 to many parameters. This method can be called in n number of ways. You can see a single method being called by passing 1, 2, 3 and 4 parameters. Varargs is used when the functionality is same but the parameter list is different. What is the difference between Varargs and overloading? Overloading is used if the method name is same and the functionality is different. Varargs is used if the method name is same, the functionality is same but the parameter list is different. Let us see this using a practical example. In case of Varargs, you can have only one Vararg in a method. I can even overload this Vararg. Vararg has to be the last argument. It must have 3 dots after the data type. These are the constraints Varargs has. I'll repeat it. You can have only one Vararg in a method. It has to be the last parameter. It must have 3 dots after the data type. Let us see this with a practical example. Let me create 2 classes, student, Vararg demo. Student is going to have Vararg methods. Vararg demo is going to have main. Select the package, right click, new class, Vararg demo, click finish. Let me create the student class. Let me create a method to calculate the average of the marks passed by the student object. Let me write the method. Let me have the return type as int calc average. Let me pass string name of the student and int dot variable argument to pass the marks. Inside this, let me write the logic. Calculate the sum and find the average. Let me use for each to calculate the sum by iterating the marks array. I have added the functionality, calculating the sum and finally calculating the average. In public static void main, create the student object. Call calc average method. I am going to print it directly by using CISO. I am trying to call calc average method by passing the names and the marks. The marks you can see initially I am passing 1 parameter, then 2, then 3. So the array varies from 1 to 3 parameters. Save the file and run the application. You can see the output. Welcome Ram. For the first object it is printing sum is 100, average is 100. Sum is 190, average is 95. Sum is 270, average is 30. I can also pass just by giving the string object. In that case, the array size is 0. Let me comment this and try to print the sum alone. I am not using average. If I try to print the average, marks.length is 0. So it will throw arithmetic exception. To avoid that, I am just printing the sum alone. Save. You can see for the last one, welcome Ram, sum is 0 and it is printing just 0. When you have to go in for Varargs, Use Varargs when the functionality is same but the number of parameters are different. Suppose say in student class I am having an overloaded method calc avg which takes string name comma int marks. I have got a calc average method which is overloaded with string name and int marks. Can you guess what will be the output for this one, which takes string name int marks, that is one parameter? Whether JVM will call the Varargs method because that is also matching, or it will call this overloaded method. I will give return 1. Since Varargs is a newer concept, automatically it will go to the matching string name and int marks and it will print hello world. Let us check the output. You can see it prints hello world 1. For the rest of the things it is going to the corresponding methods. Suppose say if I am having string name alone, it will not print ram sum 0 0, but it will print hello world and 1. You can see the output over here. That's all. Thank you.